How to make a logo fast with Canva app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a logo fast with Canva app, easy and fast method. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and it will take you to this home page. Now you have to go here and click on this plus icon right here, and then it will give you many options right here, but you have to choose the logo option right here. As you can see, click on it and it will take you to this page right here, and you will find logo templates, fast and easy, and then choose one of them like this and click on it, and now you are able to change it as you want, as you can see like this, and you can change anything you want. Also you can change the logo, you have many filters right here too, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.